Here's your guide to 5 lesser-known but real ways of making money online. Earning money online has never been as easy as now. The growing world of online has opened up some unusual but real opportunities to make money from the comfort of your home. And worry not, you don't need special skills or qualification before you say get set go. 1. Sell your photos? Do you have photo skills or live in an area where images are in demand? Stock photography websites are huge repositories of photographs, covering almost every possible subject you could imagine, advises International Living. So how does it work? Photographers can upload their images to any one of a number of huge databases, allowing magazine editors, designers or any organization with a website to buy them. And the beauty of stock websites, photos can be sold any number of times, so you can continue to make money without any effort. Photography sites to check out include Shutterstock, PhotoShelter, and Getty Images. 2. Create how-to videos. In recent years, YouTube has grown into the go-to source for all manner of video courses and guides, says International Living. Instructors can monetize their videos by charging a subscription fee or password-protecting content for paying customers only. This article shares some tips from one real estate agent who made $100,000 in 1 month on YouTube. Another piece of advice from International Living: get to know the phrases that people search for. To find potential search phrases, start typing "how to," your topic, into YouTube's search bar and notice what phrases are generated in the autofill drop-down. Make sure to use the same keywords when you write your video title, description, and tags. 3. Become a copywriter. Want to earn a great income no matter where you live, a house by the sea in Latin America, in historic European city, or even on a Greek island? Copywriting could be ideal for you. According to International Living, copywriting is a mega-industry, ripe with opportunity and yearning for people who can fuel it with fresh marketing messages, and one of the best benefits of the freelance copywriter's lifestyle is that you can get paid in US dollars yet live virtually anywhere in the world. Express Writers has tips on how to become a copywriter and is also a resource for jobs. 4. Tutor. Establishing your own tutoring service can be a lucrative business that provides you with a comfortable and flexible lifestyle, advises International Living. The best part of all, you can set up a tutoring business in almost any country in the world. A tip: offer discounts to clients who promote your business. Word-of-mouth marketing is still one of the most valuable marketing tools you can have when starting out, advises International Living. The site tutors.com has a list of the best online tutoring jobs, and you can also apply to be a tutor at tutorm.com. Set up an online course. 5. Set up an online course. Or go beyond writing an e-book and create a whole online course with tutorials, PDF downloads and videos. It's a great way to create passive income because people will pay for the info and can go at their own pace or post questions related to the course in a dedicated group. Here's one resource for creating and selling online courses: Learn Worlds, which makes it possible for anyone to profit from their knowledge and experience by creating an online program. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share and comment down below for topic.